people. So after long, I'm shooting my video, and for some reason, I'm looking very chubby right now. Some reason, or the reason that I sit and eat lot of blueberry pastries for lunch. I mean, no, but the rest of me is looking slim, because I walk a lot also. So no, not like near my office. You have like this amazing bakery. It's called KS Bakery. So this is like a review for KS Bakery. Yeah, they have number of branches in Hyderabad, and I think outside Hyderabad also. I don't know what the full form of KS is, but amazing. You get like fresh food and fresh pastries. Oh my god! Like seriously. So yeah. So I have a blueberry pastry I always order it along with my lunch. It's just like $60. Yeah. So but it's completely worth it, and whatever, it's nice to pamper yourself, except that you start beginning to look like a pastry yourself, like I, in terms of so chubby. I never looked so chubby. I don't know what is wrong with me. But anyway, so right now, people, this is my book collection. So I feel so happy so my next video will be all about the kind of books I've read. But that's what I have to just decide if I have to do a spring cleaning of this place, or do a video. So that's like a choice I need to make. But on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.